Hi, my name is Michael Skay. I'm a broker associate with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty in Spring Lake, New Jersey. I'm coming to you today from our new listing at 306 Washington Avenue in Spring Lake. We're just a few blocks from award-winning beaches and a beautiful gazebo up on the boardwalk. And we're just a few steps from 3rd Avenue, where there's some tremendous shops, right down the street also from Spring Lake itself and Divine Park. This home was built in 1892. That's right, 1892. And there are some amazing seamless updates, renovations, and an expansion to this existing structure. It's a fabulous home. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's take a look. I promised you that there are a number of incredible renovations undertaken in the home, and this is just one of them. It's a gorgeous white kitchen, and it's complemented by Carrara marble countertops. Also a brand new Gen Air 6-burner stainless steel range. I knew you were going to enjoy the tour. One extra added surprise, the lot is 50 by 150. However, the yard is significantly larger than what you would typically expect. You can host enormous dinner parties back here, and you can even get a large in-ground pool in it. Because of the 1892 building, the front yard setback is much closer to the street than for a normal new build. So if you'd like to take a tour with me, please give me a shout. I'm at 732-272-5898. Thanks for joining me.